Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for an absolutely fabulous new faucet, you cannot go wrong with this one from YUNDOOM. This waterfall faucet is so sleek and modern looking, and it is an absolute delight to have in the bathroom to really help update the look. We got the center set brushed gold faucet and installed it in a standard 3-hole bathroom sink that already had an existing faucet. This comes with everything that you need for installation, including the supply lines. My husband was able to do this within an hour. Not only does it come with the faucet, but it also has a pop-up drain. This is such a nice improvement on what was already in the sink. Now, I couldn't get my camera in when my husband was installing the lines, but this is him installing them, and this is what it looks like afterward. And you can see that everything looks really clean and neat, and there's no leaks. The lines on this faucet are just gorgeous. You notice how both the handles have a slight upturn on the end, and then the waterfall is just absolutely stunningly beautiful. It's really cool too because the spout itself has a 360-degree rotation, so you can turn it into whatever angle that you want. We could not be more pleased with this faucet, and we think you're going to love it too. But that's just our point of view.